Howdy guys, welcome back. Sport Aficionado at it again. How y'all doing? Today I'm going to show you how to fix a very common problem in your vehicle. And that's simply by replacing your gas cap. Now as you can see, this is an OEM gas cap Mopar. This is my 07 Jeep Commander, 240,000 miles on it. And if your check engine light comes on and you scan it, and you get the code PO455, large evap leak detected, the easiest way to fix this code, because it's often the simplest, replace your gas cap. That's what I'm talking about. All gas caps, unless you have a more modern car like my dad's 2010 Expedition with the capless spill system. If you take a look right here, here's your gas cap. See this little rubber gasket in here? See if I can peel it up. No, there's no peeling this one up. It's so mushroomed down and just worn out. It's not torn, but usually what will happen is over time this little gasket will tear and it won't be able to seal the evap system correctly, and you'll get that code PO455, large evap leak detected. So I just went on eBay and typed in my vehicle, and for about 10 bucks I got an OEM brand new gas cap. These seals just wear out, little gaskets just wear out over time, and this one's 18 years old. So like I said, I just went on eBay, ordered an OEM gas cap, and here is the part number if you need it. 1-52124512AA is the part number. Genuine Mopar. When you're buying a gas cap, I cannot stress this enough, buy OEM. I don't care what anybody tells you. Don't go buy the cheapest $5, $10, from AutoZone or Advanced Auto, O'Reilly's, wherever. Don't do that, because they will not work. They will not last as long, and they may not even work to begin with. You want a gas cap that'll last the longest. This one's lasted 240,000 miles. Buy an OEM. Once again, there's your part number. Mopar by OEM. Now, as you can see, there's a new gas cap installed. And if you look kind of close, it's identical. Bit for bit, it's got the little tang on it. And mine, on the old one, the little tang that holds it into the gas lid is worn out. So I replaced it. Take it in, take it out. Off. You're not going to fall off, not going to lose it. So as you can see with the new one compared to the old one, let's see. There's the new O-ring. There's the old O-ring. See how thick the new one is? How squashed down and mushroomed the old one is? This one's going to seal like it's supposed to. Now, I never got the check engine light PO455 code, but I just, preventative maintenance goes a long way. It's never been replaced, so I said, you know what, 10 bucks on eBay, OEM, I'll replace it. And I did. And I feel a lot better now. So, there you go, guys. That's how to replace a gas cap on your 2006-2010 Jeep Commander. It's basically the same principle, same, idea on any vehicle that has a gas cap. And so yeah, a little bit of knowledge on gas caps, and the code, check engine light code PO455, large evap leak detected. The simplest and easiest way, just replace your gas cap like I did, just for preventative maintenance. Mine didn't need it, but like I said, preventative maintenance goes a long way. Won't have to worry about this for a long time. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.